Small business owners, what are 3 ways to use ChatGPT for leisure business activities? That's what we're going to talk about today in episode 539 on this Christmas Eve 2022. Solopreneurs, all week we've been talking about this new AI tool that came out and dropped in December of 2022 called ChatGPT. It's not the first AI to come out, but it's one that has over 1 million users and it's free. And I've been using it all month and freaking love it. We've talked this week about using it from social media to writing email letters to your clients. Today we're going to talk a little bit about business, leisure, depending on the type of business that you're in. We're going to talk today about lyrics, poems, and recipes. Now, depending on what your business is, you may not need these, but I think they're really neat. I happen to have a client that is a songwriting musician. I think if you ever get that stuckness that you get about trying to come up with a new song, it's a great way to start something. I'm not saying that you actually have to use it this way, but these are really cool tools. Business tip number 1, of course, is lyrics. I asked it to make a lyric about ChatGPT for this, and here's what it did. Now, I'm not a singer. It said, I ask it anything from weather to news. It's got all the information. There's nothing it can't choose. I can even ask it to write a poem or a song. It's always ready, willing to help me all day long. ChatGPT, it's always there for me. JetGPT, the best AI company. Now, that's cheesy, but just shows you in 2 seconds how it can come up with lyrics to any kind of song you want to create in under a few seconds. Business tip number 2, it's great if you are one of those creative people that need to write a poem. We've already talked about in previous episodes how to write business letters. It will write rhyming poems or any kind of poems you want. I asked it to write a poem about using ChatGPT for business. Here's what it said. I use ChatGPT for business. It's smart AI. It helps me with tasks I don't even have to try. I can schedule meetings or send emails galore, but it's like having an assistant that never gets bored. Okay? Now again, these are cheesy ideas, but it's 1 second of getting some content. And sometimes what you need is just content to get you started on your particular business that you're using. And then last but not least, business tip number 3 is it's great for recipes. I have lots of cooking bloggers that I know. You can give it recipes, ingredients. It'll tell you how to do them. It'll tell you how to write and bake a good turkey, which is a personal thing for me. It's excellent for giving you, if you only have 3 or 4 ingredients in the refrigerator, it'll tell you how to cook something. Fantastic. You can pretty much use this ChatGPT for lots and lots of things, both leisure and business, and we're just exploring a few of them. So again, a review, great for lyrics, poems, and recipes. That's what I'm learning today. Anything I learn, throw the fence to you, because I want you guys to be awesome. Now go back to sleep.